Hi guys, this is Raquel with Paints and Glitter, and today I'm coming to you with a project share. Actually showing a mini album that I just completed that I do have listed if anyone's interested. This is called The Love Story, and as you can tell, it has a Parisian theme. I did use the Ooh La La collection from, I believe it's Craftsmith. Yes, Craftsmith, to make the mini album, as well as Cricut cardstock, which is the heavier card, and then I used heavy cardstock throughout to make the pages, and lots of layering, as you can tell. Here in the front, I just wanted to show you, I did this beautiful collage of flowers. I used petaloo flowers, I used silk flowers. I actually made this flower, and I have a video on how to make that style of flower if you're interested. And then little bitty buds and roses throughout. I also added some, what is it called? The word escapes me right now, but you know what that is, kind of cheesecloth, that's what it is, for texture there. And there's a doily behind here. These are actual kind of film strips that I cut out. They're backed up with vellum, and the cardstock here, of course, is the love story. I cut out this Eiffel Tower from a die that I have, and then layered the front here. As you can tell, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers just on that. Without counting, of course, the embellishments there. So it's nice and sturdy. The spine here has the silver card there. And then I put some laces here that have pearl trims. I also added black sequins. And the charm here, I'm going to show you, it's so cute. It came with a little Eiffel Tower. It's got the rose, it's got some faceted beads and baubles there. Another tiny little rose there, a pink pearl, and then I went ahead and added to that this second charm here that's got the Eiffel Tower, and then this more this other pearl here that's got that darker color. I thought that went really well together because I did mix the metallics, the gold, the rose gold. You're going to see that color combination inside of the album. I made just a little lace knot there to add the charm, which is on a lobster clasp. The back is embossed. As you can tell, it's double layered with the thick, heavy cardstock. Then the ribbon here is a nice gold ribbon that's got some texture as well. And it opens up to the front page here, which this is a very girly album. It's got this beautiful page here, or paper, with the little girl, the woman on the bike. I got a kick out of that because she's wearing heels. And then this antique lace that I had in my stash, I went ahead and added there, doubled with the black lace. This page here has the little tab that I made with a few different ribbons there, and then the little flower. It opens up like so to allow room for 2 pictures right immediately there. Or you could add a third on that cover as well, of course. This page here I left plain, and a lot of the pages I left for, to allow room for pictures depending on what was right next to it. And I'll show you as I go. This here, I created a little pocket, and I added 2 tags that I made there, and they're double layered. So they slide out like so, and I used the paper collection to layer there. It says C'est la vie, and on the back of that has the little ribbons and a room for journaling. This one I added the little knot of ribbon and a little strip of washi tape there. As you can tell, there's a little scallop border there on that. This one has the corners here to where you can slip in a picture, of course. The next one has the same motif on the corners, but it's a little bit different than that one, as you can tell. And that one's with the silver card. This one here, I just added a doily with a nice rose there as a little tuck spot. And this is again the one that's got the gold foiling. Another page where you can tuck in a picture. And all of the, you're going to see throughout, there's also the vintage laces added to the inside of some of the pages there. So I just added that for texture. I thought it made it look nice and girly. This page here is super feminine. I added this matting here, which is also shimmery, and then this gorgeous dragonfly. I was thinking in Spanish, sorry. And then here on the sides, it's also got the little ornate tabs there, but they don't move. They're just for decorative purposes. This page here has a smaller dragonfly and then bits of lace. It's got the smaller tab there, and I just added this little strip there for fun with the black sequins on an antique trim. And then that opens like so with a nice little flower there, the pretty papers, and again the trim in the middle there. The next page here has the Eiffel Tower page with this fold out page that has a bicycle on a little trim there that is from the silver card also, and then the sentiment from the paper collection which says ooh la la, and I fussy cut the Eiffel Tower placing it there, so it's nicely layered, and it's got the little tab here, but it opens like so on this side, so there's plenty of room there for pictures. And then on this side I made a little pocket, a side pocket with two tags. I'll show you the tags. It has a little shimmery button there, and the back is white with a nice heavy card. This one I went ahead and made it a little more playful with the Eiffel Tower and little elements there. Also the little pom-pom trim there, and then the back is pink, and they're all finished off to make sure, you know, that they look clean. It's got that little lash trim from the paper collection, and then that nice edge there that's decorative, the same elements there, and then this has room for adding a picture, and then of course that folds out this way. So it's nice and interactive. Those go back in here like so. This next page also has that beautiful pink lace and then the black, and I left that nice and simple there. There's this spread also that allows you to place the larger pictures that you may have. And then this one again has a more delicate edged frame here, and then it's also shimmery, so you can add a special picture there. There's the trims in the center, and over here I did add the corners to allow for a picture to fit through, but I also made a little collage here with a vellum flower layered on the same flower in paper, and then a little stitched heart and a decorative element back here, and then it's got the little bit of gauze. This is the Eiffel Tower page again, and this one here has a different frame with the pretty flowers surrounding it, and I added the same decorative element there on the sides. So it's all cohesive throughout. Again, another little tuck spot here, and I might add another, tag here or there. This one, just to let you know, is a smaller page, of course, but it has this side here, and I added the little bird there that was given to me, the flower, and then this tab here is actually foiled. So if you see that, I did that with washi tape. So it opens like that, and then this is the last page, and I went ahead and made a tag shaped shaker and added the word love to finish it off with the same sentiment. Added a nice little bow and a gem, and then the little bits inside, of course, move around, and those are all different colors. There's gold, there's pinks, there's lavender, a little bit of everything in there, really. So I don't want to make you dizzy on the video, but they do shake around, and yeah, that's the back, that's the end. Please let me know if you're interested in this mini album. I will be listing the details below on this video, and you can also find me on Instagram as Paintsandglitter, or you can email me at paintsandglitter@gmail.com. I hope you've liked this video, and feel free to contact me if you have any questions. Be inspired and be blessed. Bye-bye.